Hello, I'm Teresa.
And I'm Shelley.
This week we're going to talk about our makes, new arrivals, upcoming sales,
Yay!
and some gifty bundles. So let's start with our makes. So I actually have Carrie's make in my hand right here. She made the Archer shirt.
That's
Ooh,
by Grainline?
I believe so.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have buttons yet, and I'm not able to hold it. We should have put it on a hanger, but it's super cute. She did a really good job on her collar. And she's got cute little labels in here.
And her cuffs.
Yeah, there's a little pleat on the back. Let's see. There we go. And she did it in this yummy flannel. It's so soft.
Is that a flannel or is it a woven?
It's a flannel.
Really?
It's a hybrid. It's
Nice.
a woven flannel.
Nice.
So it's super cute. Looks adorable on her. She tried it on earlier for us.
And she put one of our some of our labels on here.
I think these are her labels.
Her labels? Oh, it says
I think
you can't buy this.
Yep. And there's also enchanted item. I think these are labels that she actually made, or at least that one is. And then the you can't buy this. I think she bought that.
Ooh, tricky girl.
Mm-hmm. So super cute. She did a really nice job on that. It's much better than the shirt I made this weekend. I just picked some fabric out of my stash that was not really appropriate for the top.
It's a
And
muslin.
I was making kind of a muslin. The eventual fabric was going to be this avocado green organic waffle knit. It's so cute. It's like this yummy fabric. And the thing I picked out of my stash to make my sample out of is not at all the same. Doesn't drape the same, doesn't feel the same. Anyway, it really ended up looking like a big circus tent. I will not be wearing that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure on someone else it'll look fabulous.
Sometimes that's how things happen. So that's why muslin's good.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm really excited about the socks I just finished knitting. I'm wearing them. Carrie's going to put a nice picture in here for you guys to look at instead of me lifting up my feet because you can't see it that well. But I promise they're adorable.
They are adorable. But we'll insert a photo instead of Teresa being a contortionist here.
Might as well.
My makes were immediately confiscated this weekend.
That's right.
So I made some Christmas pillowcases. Actually, I have little helpers that did almost all of the sewing themselves and the cutting of the threads. And
is there what, 4 and 2?
5 and 2.
5 and 2.
5 and 2. So we had some lap sitting and
some maybe not totally straight sewing.
Maybe not. And trying to figure out, it's always interesting trying to, they want to mimic like where your hands go but they lean on the table, which means they lean on the fabric. And so it was very cute. It was like some finagling. So yeah, we had some interesting seams, but very cute flannel pillowcases.
And they are going to love them forever because they got to make them.
Exactly. So we just need to put some labels on them.
Oh, cute.
That said who they were made by.
I love it.
Maybe after Christmas when one of them might take them off or he might want to use them year round.
Right. After he made it, he'll never want to take it off.
That's right.
All right. So should we show up some new arrivals?
Sure. So I can just mention we've refilled our Notion wall.
And we mentioned last week, but the Aurifil thread display everything came in. So that's refilled.
Sally Tomato zippers got refilled. By Annie Hardware
zippers
will be refilled this week.
Oh, okay. But a lot of the zippers came, right?
A lot of them did. And then I noticed somebody came in and wiped out a whole nother section of them. So we're trying to keep up with you guys as fast as we can.
We never know what you're going to want. So the more information you give us ahead of time, the better, right?
Yes. But we thank you always.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Thank you for buying all of the zippers.
Yes. And just got a new batting order in.
Yes.
And some
Tula hardware, right? The pink Tula hardware.
Pink Tula hardware came.
Some Kimberbell stuff.
Kimberbell came. So, yeah.
And we have some fabrics and things here to show off as well.
We do. Should I mention? Oh, I'll mention this because it's right here. So the Gravity quilt kits are not in yet, but they are available for pre-order. And there are videos that go along with Jaybird's quilt. This quilt is just lusciousness.
It's a block of the month quilt.
Mm-hmm. She'll be doing all the videos. And we did get in the Hexamore and the Super Sidekick rulers that you need for it.
Yeah, it shows those on the back here.
So it's a little bit different than on this pattern. It's the Northcott Stonehenge fabrics. And I believe there's white around the star.
I don't
and then
remember
it fades to black.
Okay, I don't remember the details.
It's the opposite.
But this was done with solids, and the version that we're getting the kits in for that Northcott is doing has their Stonehenge fabrics, which are just a little bit of a texture, kind of a stone-looking texture to it, and it looks really nice. I've seen the quilt in person. Didn't we see it at H&H?
Yes.
Yeah, and it's great.
What do you have for new products?
I think we've had this one in before. So these things are heavy, aren't they? This is a Sally Kelly 108. And this one sold out so quickly because it's gorgeous. And so we got another bolt in.
And we thought that would make an awesome raglan dress.
Yes. Let's see. Here we go.
Because who doesn't want a Sally Kelly dress?
This is by the Avid Seamstress. This is one of those patterns we've had shipped to us from the UK. And that would be great in that fabric. Okay, what else do we have?
We've
got some more. Big Sur canvas in Canyon Brown. This is a beautiful color. Nice fall color. So 100% cotton canvas fabric.
I have tape on my shoe. I'm crunchy. It's being crunchy.
And this was a restock as well. Pinstripe denim. I actually made some pants out of this. I haven't worn them yet because I made them in the summer when, let's see, can we see that now? When it was way too hot to wear pants. So even trying them on, I was like, take them off. I don't even care if they fit right now. I just can't put them on my body. And this is a thin denim, okay? It's just, I'm the weird one. I understand this.
All right. And this is some gorgeous ponte. I'll hand to you. And we did have a few patterns that go with that. We've got the toaster sweater and the Billy sweater from Tilly and the Buttons. And we've got it in that red. And then
this is called Flame.
Flame. And then we've also got it in the maroon here.
I'm running out of hands.
So this is
nice.
White luscious.
Those bolts are heavy.
These bolts are heavy.
All right, and this is Spirit Trail Woven. It's a flannel. It's by Wyndham. And it's just a really nice pattern. It would make cozy pajama-y things. It'd make a cool robe.
Like a shawl.
Or a quilt bag. That would be really yummy. Ooh, we've got it in the black.
Yes.
Pretty. And then this is just a small sampling of the Ruby and Bee solids that just came in from Wyndham. So we've kind of restocked our colors in the Ruby and Bee solids. These have a really nice hand to them, and the colors are great.
And we got some more corduroy. This is the whale corduroy, which is like a thin corduroy.
14 whale in olive.
Yes.
Nice.
And for your quilters out there, these are so much fun.
Yeah, Carrie's personally taken some of this stuff home. Little dragon scale look going on there.
These would make great pillowcases for kids.
Yes, little baby dragons. They are so cute. That's adorable. And
this line is called, do we have any?
This says Fun Forest.
Fun Forest.
Texture multi. So I don't know. Carrie will link it below.
Yeah. So we also got this jersey. It's a heathered navy. It's really nice. This would make great shirts. Maybe even that raglan dress.
Super soft. Love it.
Yeah. We did get the Traveler pattern, which is for this fabric by Marcia Dursey. And
this one has metallic on it, right? I could have sworn. Yeah.
It
Little
does.
metallic gold.
And goes with all those luscious batiks. So we will insert a traveler pattern here.
Perfect.
And
Did we showed everything we had planned to?
yeah, so we
Okay.
should talk about sales.
Well, first we're going to talk about, we are going to be closing registration for the Tim Holtz palette subscription and the Jen Kingwell template of the month subscription. So that's closing November 24th, which is coming up soon. So sign up while you can. People have been pretty excited about this. So the Jen Kingwell template of the month club, or subscription, it's not very expensive, and you get new templates every month. It's only for 6 months, and then excuse me, it starts in May, I believe. And so if you want to come to the Jen Kingwell /scrap club, if you wanted to join that, or you can, if you want to just come once, it's only $15 per time if you aren't a member of the club. Otherwise, if you're a member, you don't pay to come. And Sonia, who has made each one of these blocks already, she'll be there to give you tips and tricks and help walk you through those blocks. So that'll be nice. So that, I think I mentioned November 24th is the last day to sign up for both of those, for either one of those. So if you've been thinking about it, now's the time.
That's right. Ask for it for the holidays. Just have them sign up by November 24th.
Yeah, exactly. And then last week, I believe, we announced Mihali's block printing class that's coming up on December 8th. We actually added a second date already because we knew some people who wanted to take it, couldn't make it to the first one. So there's also now February 9th, there's another block printing 101 class. So same class, 2 different times. I think the first one is already half full. So if you're interested in that, sign up. If there's room, I'm taking it.
We'll see if you're on the schedule.
And then we have some sales coming up.
Finally, sales.
So Black Friday sale, we're actually going to start that when we close on Wednesday at 5. So normally we're open until 8 on Wednesdays, but the Wednesday before Thanksgiving is usually the only planned Wednesday when we're not open until 8. So we are going to close at 5 this coming Wednesday. The sale will start then at 5. There are going to be some fabric. We've pulled fabrics from the floor that have never been on sale before. And for the sale only, they're going to be 40% off. And then when the sale is over, they're going to go back on the floor at their normal price. So definitely check that out. I don't think I mentioned it. Starts Wednesday at 5 p.m. and then it goes through all of Black Friday. So midnight Friday night is when the sale ends. And there's no coupon code. It's in our system. It's just going to go on sale at 5 on Wednesday, and the sale is going to turn itself off at midnight Friday night. So definitely check it out. None of this has been on sale before, and it's current fabric that's out on the floor. So check that out. And then there will be more stuff on sale. We're not going to give you the details yet. So check your email on Wednesday. There will be an email coming out on Wednesday that tells you more about what's going to be on sale for that Black Friday sale. So it'll be a surprise. So check your email on Wednesday for more details. And then after that sale ends, then the next day, Small Business Saturday, we have a different sale starting.
Yay!
So come on into the store that day. We've taken some of our sale fabrics that are, the bolt's getting small, and there will be an extra markdown on the end of the bolt for those sale fabrics. So that will be really only an in-store special.
Yeah, that part of it.
Yeah.
Because there's no way to balance it online.
Yeah, there's no way to make the system do that correctly online.
Yeah. Yeah. And then on Sunday, December 1st, starts 12 Days of Treelotta.
Yeah. So we've done this in past years too, where each day there's a different sale, a sale on something different. This year, we are going to tell you ahead of time what the sales are going to be on. That has been a request. So we'll send out an email. There will be a banner on our website you can click on that'll take you to a page that tells you about it. And so there will be something on sale the first day and then something different the second day. So it's going to switch every day, and we'll have something that lets you combine shipping too. So you can, say hold for shipping together later or something. We'll
Yes.
let you know more about that.
Yes, so you can plan out your sale if you want to buy something day 1 and day 12 and day 6. We will combine them all together for shipping, and we'll ship all at once at the end.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And all of that will be laid out really nicely on the website and in an email once we have the details more figured out. Also, our annual gift card sale
Ooh.
is starting during the 12 days. It's one of the days. Usually what we've done is started that on like during our first Friday video that month, which I believe is the 6th. Yeah, that makes sense,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Anything
All
else?
right. I think that's it for this week.
Mm-hmm. So thank you for supporting our small business.
Hope you guys have an absolute great holiday
Yes.
and get some relaxation and some sewing in.
Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of future videos.
Mm-hmm.
Hit the like button.
Yep. Give us all
And,
the love, please.
and we are thankful for you.
Yes, we are. Yeah, we couldn't be here without you guys. So thank you for your support. It really means a lot to us.
Bye.
See you next week.